Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace your Kia key fob shell. First, gather your tools: a small flathead screwdriver, your new key fob shell, and your current Kia key fob. Make sure your new shell is an exact match for your original, especially regarding button layout and overall design. This ensures all internal components will fit perfectly into their new home, making the process smooth and straightforward for you. Now let's open your old key fob. Look for a small notch or seam, usually on the side or bottom. Carefully insert your small flathead screwdriver into this opening. With a gentle twist, pry the two halves apart. Be very careful not to damage the delicate internal circuit board or the small battery inside. Take your time. A steady hand is key here to avoid any accidental slips. With the old fob open, it's time to transfer the brains of your key fob. Gently lift out the circuit board and the small battery. Now, carefully place these components into their designated spots within your new key fob shell. Pay close attention to the orientation of the circuit board. Ensure its buttons align perfectly with the new shell's button pads. This step is crucial for proper functionality. Finally, let's put your new key fob together. Align the two halves of the new shell carefully. Press them firmly until you hear a satisfying click, indicating they are securely fastened. Double-check for any gaps to ensure a tight seal. Once assembled, test all the buttons to confirm they function correctly. You've successfully replaced your Kia key fob shell, saving yourself time and money.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.